difference between these two, like data mining and the text mining, both are working to find out some new patterns, novel patterns over there. Both are semi-automatic processes, not fully automated, semi-automated over there. Different is the nature of the data. As I told you that one is structured, the data mining, when you have like a structured data in the form of the databases, so this is for data mining. And for unstructured data, this one is like Word documents, PDF documents, text file, XML, etc. This is called unstructured, or is a combine of the semi-structure. So this XML is a semi-structure, we call it basically. So, but they have incorporated into two broad categories. And then text mining first impose structure to the data over there, then mine the structured data. Okay, so these are the different parts and parcel of the concepts of the text mining and the web mining.